It's the most wonderful time of the year.
What is the song even? Like, what was that song?
That is a Christmas adventure.
Oh, okay.
We're ready for an adventure.
Yep, knew that.
All right, Adam, take it away.
All right. Ho, ho, ho. Coming to you from Denver, Colorado, home of Remax World Headquarters. It's Start With a Win, Christmas edition. Adam Contos, CEO here with the whole crew.
Yay!
Ayo.
Hello, everybody.
And if you're just listening to this podcast episode, you need to pop over to YouTube, subscribe, hit that like button and the bell icon, and see how ridiculous we all look right now.
I spent a lot of time decorating my my podcast studio here, Mark.
And
So much time.
So,
You legit look like Santa's little helper.
I am. That's
But
me.
a big helper who wakes up at 4:30 a.m. to start helping.
That's right. Santa better have his ass in the
Helper.
gym tomorrow.
Don't call him Big Cheese, Mark. It's the holidays.
That's why we're all so big. It's those charcuteries.
I don't know how to take that, Kayla. Yeah, it's a lot of charcuterie boards.
Here we go,
All
talking
right.
about food again. So let's kick this bad boy off.
That's right. Engineer James has got a game for us. He's got a game for us queued up. James, why don't you tell us a little bit about this game?
Yeah, and for those of you listening in, you can play along and just see how you do. But we're going to do Name That Movie Quote. And
Whoa.
I've got
You guys are
10
going down.
Oh, we'll see. We will see. We've got 10 clips. Actually, we've got like 3 clips per 10 movies, and they get easier as you go. So the first clip I play for each movie is going to be really hard. It's going to be like the obscure quote, and then it's going to work its way to like literally telling you the name of the movie in the clip. So you got to try to guess it on the first one. And you 3 are competing with each other, so first one to shout it out wins. And these are all Christmas classics. There's nothing that I don't think people will know. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's all we got.
I'm ready.
That was
All
a
right,
double
so we're gonna
negative, so
start
he
it off.
thinks we're all going to know stuff. Okay.
I think you're going to know stuff, but I think you guys
We
are going to
come
have
from-
to work hard.
We
to
come
beat
from
Mark.
3 different generations here, so
Yep.
see how that works.
All right, so we will get this started. We'll do a little test, and this will be our first movie clip, and see if someone can get it.
What would you like me to bring you for Christmas?
Nothing, thank you.
Oh, come now, you must want something.
Whatever I want, my mother will get for me. If it's sensible
I know
and
what
doesn't
this
cost
is.
too much.
Me too. Miracle on 34th,
Oh,
34th
wait, what
Street.
street? No.
34th Street. Miracle on 34th Street.
Correct.
3-4.
It was Miracle on 34th Street.
Wow. Well done, Kayla.
Yeah.
Well, Mark knew it too. I mean, and I've actually never seen the OG A Miracle
What?
on 44th.
How dare
only
you?
The
That
new
one is so
44.
fantastic.
I
One
can't
block
say
over.
34th.
Miracle on
30
44th Street. It's not the third. This is the B version. It's a couple blocks down next to Joe's Pizza.
That was Miracle on 5th Avenue, okay?
All right, so that's one victory for Kayla.
Okay.
Moving on to movie number 2.
Well, actually, I am a dentist.
A dentist?
Oh, I know Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Oh, Adam, you have to wing it.
Now I'm just done it.
Adam pulling it out.
Nice. Adam
That
with
was
the
supposed to be
win
a
on
hard
that.
one.
I know.
That
I
was,
first,
what's his name? Hermie the elf, I think.
Wow. I'm stunned. Here was my giveaway for that
From what
movie.
I see now, that'll cut through the murkiest storm they can dish up. What I'm trying to say is, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yeah. So you can see it's going to be real easy if you guys don't get this. All right, moving on to movie number 3, and right now, Mark, you're in last place, so
oh, dang
step
it.
it up, buddy.
Ouch. That wasn't very
I'm shocked
holiday-ish.
that Adam's beating me.
Mark, you're not starting with a win, but maybe you can end with a win. Here we go.
Oh,
You sit on a throne of lies.
The elf.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, that's correct. That is Elf.
You sit down a throne
Play that again. I never even heard. I didn't even hear
I know.
that.
It's too quiet. Here we go.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Oh, yeah. If you can't figure out that's
You
Will
smell
Ferrell,
like
then-
beef and cheese.
Like charcuterie.
You smell like charcuterie.
All right, let's move on. Movie number 3. No, that was movie number 3. Here's movie number 4.
I want you to get married. I want you to have 9 children. And if you only spend 5 minutes a day with each kid, that's 45 minutes. And I'd at least have time to go out and get a massage or something.
All right.
That's from like the 50s.
White
He's got the
Christmas.
vocal. Yes.
Okay.
I've never even seen that movie. I don't even know what that movie is.
That movie's wonderful.
All right. Add it to the list. Add it to the list.
All right, so it looks like
Now Mark's
Mark,
leading.
You're leading. Okay, here we go.
Dang
Next round.
I never get what I really want. I always get a lot of stupid toys or a bicycle or clothes or something like that. What is it you want? Real estate.
Good
Well, I like
clip.
this kid to begin with.
Exactly. He's got
Real
aspirations.
Okay, I think I've stumped the panel.
All right, so now it's clip. Are we finally getting into clip number 2?
Yeah, we're finally going to clip number 2.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I never eat December snowflakes. I always wait until January.
Oh! It's Peanuts.
Yep. Charlie Brown Christmas.
Charlie Brown Christmas.
Oh man.
That was playing behind you here a few
I know.
minutes ago, Mark. What happened to it?
Come back.
It's done.
Come back, Charlie Brown. We'll do another
There it
Charlie
is.
Brown.
I can.
But if you
are.
hadn't seen it in the background, Adam, would you have noticed? Like, I don't know.
Would I remember? No. Or yeah, actually, I would have remembered that. Yeah, that's one of my favorite Christmas.
The soundtrack is what
Shows.
would have given it away.
Oh,
That
okay.
soundtrack in there. Yeah.
Play the soundtrack if you have it.
Oh, let's see. What do I have? Nope, I don't have that ready.
What's your third clip on that one?
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
I mean, there you go. Okay, there's the giveaway.
That's cute.
All right, we're halfway through. Here comes movie number 6.
What was the last thing you and Charlie did before you went to bed Christmas
The Santa
Eve?
Claus.
You shared a
The
bowl
Santa
of
Claus.
sugar, some shots of brown liquor.
All right. Way to go, Mark.
All he wanted was a
Jeez.
weenie whistle, and Santa never brought it.
I haven't even watched. That's on my list tonight to watch. Actually.
Oh, you have to watch it tonight. It is
Wow.
one of the top 5
I know.
for our family. The Santa Claus with
So
Tim
good.
Allen.
Here's a little clip from
Name?
Santa Claus.
Chris Kringle. Name? Santa Claus. Name? Père Noël. Babo Natale. Père Nicole.
Gijo.
Papa Gijo.
There he goes.
That's good.
Okay.
All right. I think we have a tie for first.
Man.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Shoot.
What?
Let's see if we can find some movies that Kayla knows. Here we go.
Some men are Baptists, others Catholics. My father was an
You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Christmas Story.
Here's the story. Oh, yeah.
Brilliant. Well done. Well done. That was supposed to really get you.
Why are all these movies like old school? Like
What
where's
is a
Who you
new
calling
school?
old?
What is a
Jeez
new school
Louise.
movie,
Yeah.
Kayla?
We were
Jeez
discussing
Louise.
this. We were discussing
Like
this. What
Justin
is the
Bieber
most-
Christmas or what?
Yes, Justin Bieber is the most recent Christmas classic.
No. There's some good stuff on the Netflix.
Kardashian Christmas.
Kardashian Christmas.
I don't watch the Kardashians, first of all. No. Like Fred Claus, where's that one at? Four Christmases? Where are all the rom-coms in here?
We still have some movies to go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right, number 8. This one is a race.
Hey, did you by any chance pick up the voltage adapter thing?
No, I didn't have time
National
to do
Lampoon's
that.
Christmas
We're only
Vacation.
supposed to shave in France.
Grow a goatee.
Oh, Home Alone.
Home Alone
It's
2.
Home Alone.
Home Alone 1.
It's Home Alone 1.
Yeah.
I just wanted to sneak in there in case it was.
Animal.
Dang it.
Okay. 2 more.
Does Kayla get any credit for like throwing out 5 movie names?
All right,
Yes.
Kayla, this one's for you. You can do this.
They want you to say grace.
Oh, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
The blessing.
The blessing. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States.
All right, Kayla. That's a good movie.
Thank you.
And that was like 20 years ago.
Or
right,
longer than that, like 30 years ago.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, how old are we? All right. The last movie. Here we go.
You sent for me, sir?
Yes, Clarence. A man down on Earth needs our help.
Splendid. Is he sick?
No, worse. He's discouraged.
It's a Wonderful Life.
It is a Wonderful Life.
Yeah.
Wow.
So good.
Oh.
I'm waiting for Christmas
I think Mark
Eve.
won.
Mark did win.
I think
Yay,
you
Mark.
pulled it out.
We have somebody on the line who's listening. Said I won. Yeah, she said I won. Janie,
No.
she was in the audience listening in on keeping score.
Janie.
Thank you.
No.
Well, you guys,
It was rigged. That's all I have to say. Your team came up with the questions.
we're in. You know what? That is fair.
Kayla's filing a complaint.
Yeah, exactly.
How did we do this without doing the Grinch? I'm just saying I was waiting for the Grinch. Waiting
there's
for it.
only
It's true, yeah.
There's only so many movies you can do. So,
No, that's
Kayla,
fair.
last year we had Adam and I. We just kind of chatted about kind of traditions and things like that. I don't think you were on with us last year. What kind of traditions do you have?
What kind of traditions do I have? Well, I, for the last decade of my life, have been going up to my now husband's family for Christmas Eve, and we either do sloppy joes for Christmas Eve, or we do like a seafood, like it's either fancy or like
Sloppy.
sloppy. Yeah. Or we do like crab or something like that. So that's always fun. And then we drive around, look at Christmas lights. And every morning, on Christmas morning, we wake up and we eat monkey bread, have some mimosas.
Yes.
Monkey bread.
Open gifts. That's.
Oh,
I mean,
that sounds
we
awesome.
try to keep it pretty simple, easy peasy.
What about you, Engineer James?
Oh, let's see. One of the 4 kids will be up before 7, hopefully. And yeah, we usually do stockings first thing, right off the bat, and then we do like sticky buns, which is probably monkey bread, very
Yep.
similar.
Mm-hmm.
And then we just do presents for like 2 hours as the kids just kind of get distracted. And then we usually get to go to my folks' house. They live in town, so we get to see them,
Nice.
and it's nice and relaxing.
That's awesome. I know this year
Cool.
there was just a lot of things kind of up in the air and a lot of normalcies that weren't normal. But we hope that this episode brought you a little joy and it brought a smile to your face and allowed you to kind of forget about all the other dramas that are going on in the world and allowed you to be present for a moment. And we just thank you so much for listening and being a part of the Start With a Win community. And whatever holiday you're celebrating, celebrate it. Until next time, remember, start with a win.